Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel pecans. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of pecan halves, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of butter. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's create that delicious caramel. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil. Watch carefully as it transforms into a beautiful, rich amber color. Once your caramel reaches that perfect amber hue, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Quickly stir in the 1 tablespoon of butter and 1/4 teaspoon of salt until fully incorporated. Then, add your 2 cups of pecan halves, tossing them gently to ensure every single pecan is beautifully coated in the warm, sticky caramel. Spread them onto parchment paper to cool. Finally, let your caramel pecans cool completely on the parchment paper. This step is crucial for achieving that satisfyingly crisp texture. Once cooled, you can easily break apart any clumps into individual, delicious treats. Store them in an airtight container for freshness. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.